this digital bullet journal is a weekly, monthly planner journal. What if you want to have more pages within the week? So let's say right now I am at week 2 and I want to have a daily page so that I can write out more details. What you can do is go to this icon. From here, you can see that there's a blue frame surround the icon. It indicates that you are at that page right now. So click on the down arrow and duplicate it, and then go to that page. Enable both handwriting and images. You would delete everything, and then you have a blank page. Now it will retain all the links to other pages as well as appear as is at week 2. Now after you write out everything, for example this one is for Sunday the 2nd, you can either bookmark it. You see, if you bookmark this one and then you go back to this icon which show everything, you go to favorite, it's right there. See, however, I normally would not use the bookmark for new added extra pages. The reason is because I cannot rename it. I don't know what that is. So what I do normally is go to this icon again, and now on the new just added page, I click here to down arrow and I add page to outline. Here you can name it whatever you want. So I would name it something like January week 2, and the date like Sunday 2nd, and I add it. Now if I want the next day, then I would do the same thing. I would duplicate it. Now the name is the same, so you will need to change it. You just manage outline, rename outline item, and now you just rename it. Apply it. So now if you go to the outline, you will see they are here. Jump to it if you want.